B123F on this 2020 to 2025 Honda CR-V hybrid points to an automatic lighting control unit or sunlight sensor error seen through the climate control system. In plain terms, the vehicle may be seeing a sun load signal that does not make sense. The driver may notice automatic lighting or climate behavior that seems off. But this code is mainly about proving whether the problem is in the sunlight sensor signal circuit, the shared sensor return circuit, or the climate control unit. The climate control unit stores this code when the input voltage does not match the expected threshold. Before you get into the code path, start with the basic troubleshooting approach so you are not jumping straight into circuit tests blind. Then turn the vehicle to on mode and use the HDS path body electrical HVAC data list. At this point, you are confirming the fault from the control unit side before unplugging anything or chasing the harness. Next, isolate the circuit for testing. Disconnect the sunlight sensor connector, the 2P connector, then disconnect climate control unit connector A, the 28P connector. With both ends separated, you can check TSUN and sensor COM without the components influencing the readings. Now run the TSUN and sensor COM circuit checks in order. With IG mode off, check the TSUN open wire inspection first. A normal result is less than 1 ohms. Then, still with IG mode OFF, check the sensor COM open wire inspection. That normal result is also less than 1 ohms. With IG mode off, check for a short between TSUN and sensor COM. A normal result is more than 1 ohms. After that, use the appropriate open or shorted wire inspection method for the situation, then check TSUN for a short to ground. With IG mode off, that normal result is more than 1 ohms. Judge the wiring before judging the module. If the TSUN or sensor COM circuit inspection is abnormal, the fault is in the circuit. Stay with the harness connector condition and the circuit path you just tested instead of moving on too early. If the other inspection items show a normal condition, then the remaining fault area is the climate control unit. The final inspection result points to a problem with the climate control unit, but only after the TSUN and sensor COM circuit checks have passed. The clean path for B123F is to confirm the code, isolate the sunlight sensor circuit, prove TSUN and sensor COM for opens and shorts, and only then evaluate the climate control unit. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.